I'm recording our classroom session. I'll be sharing it to you after this, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So 3 projects we'll be doing in our classroom, and we'll be even learning how to use App Exchange, and we'll be downloading the application from the App Exchange. So overall we'll be seeing 5 projects in our classroom. After completing these 5 projects, okay, 2 will be from App Exchange, 3 projects will be developing. So I'll be sharing my cloud drive with you. So in my cloud drive, we have a project. Okay, that project is given by Salesforce. So it is called as HR recruiting project. That project with it has with screenshots. So this project you have to do it on your own. With this, after we do few projects in our classroom, it is like your homework. Okay, so this is how it goes. So we'll be covering both administration as well as development. So let us go ahead and create an ID first, and let's start the class. I hope you already know about the Salesforce because you have attended few classes. So let's begin with the first class. So I'll be getting an idea like once I give you access, like how far you know the Salesforce. You said you have been trained till the workflows, right? So let me see if you're missing any concepts. I'll try to cover them. Okay. Yeah. Let's get going. Yeah. Smrita, any doubts? Should I start the class? Is it okay for you, right? Okay. Fine. Yeah. Smrita, you are in the web mode basically. So if I want to give access to you, it's not possible. So what I suggest you is try to switch to desktop mode. I'll be giving you the link for that. So you got a link, can you see it? Did you get the link? Please download the desktop mode and try to install it. Go to meeting launcher, you have to install it so that I can give my access to you. Yeah. Yeah, Smrita, please do it. You have the link, right? Please go ahead and do it. So till then we'll try to create our ID for our classroom. We'll be creating our ID from the developer.salesforce.com. So there are 2 ways of creating the ID. You might be knowing it: login.salesforce.com and developer.salesforce.com. If you create your ID from developer.salesforce.com, you'll get for lifetime. If you do from login.salesforce.com, you'll be getting the 30 days trial version. So it's better. Yeah. Smriti, please select the computer audio. Go to your audio and please select the computer audio. You're in the phone mode. Sorry, Smrita. Yeah. Yeah. So let us go ahead and sign up. So we are creating our ID. So you people know how to create the ID, Salesforce developer account. Smrita, Smriti. Okay. What about you? Okay, fine. So here we are going to use our user account name. So it can be anything. cloud21@abc.com is the username I have chosen. It has to be in the email format. So sign me up. So this ID we are going to use for our regular classes. So let me open my account. Just a moment. Continue. So we'll go to our mail, and from there you have to set the password. So I'm going to set the password for this. The password has to be alphanumeric, combination of letters and numbers. That's it. This is our Salesforce account. Yeah. So in today's class, I'll be giving you access, and let me check like how far you have understood the concepts. If anything is missing, I'll try to cover them. So now today's class, we'll be seeing how to create Salesforce application. Next, we'll see how to create object. Next, we'll see how to create field. Next, we'll see how to create record. Next, we'll see how to create tab. Okay, these are the things we are going to see in our today's class. Okay, let us start from Salesforce application, how to create an app. So in our today's class, we are going to create an application called as mobile store. Application name is mobile store. Okay, I'm giving you the access. Smrita, you have control. Please check. Create an application called as mobile store. You have the access. Yes. See, for creating an application, go to setup. Hit the setup button. Can you see setup? Yes. Click on the setup. Okay. Yeah. Scroll down. Just a moment. I think so. Some other student came. Just a moment. Give me 1 minute. Let me talk to them. Hello, son. Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. May I know your name and your background? Yeah, we just started our class.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Smrita, just
Um,
wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, just wait 2 minutes. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Please, and can you tell me your educational background?
Educational? No, I work for SAP ABAP CRM.
Okay, okay. What I'm asking you is your graduation. You're from the technical background, or else you have done something else?
Technical background.
Okay, fine.
Technical background.
That is what I need to know. That's it. We have just started our class. Already I've been told that you already know up till the workflows. So we just created an ID and we are creating the application. That's it. Okay.
Okay, today is his first class or?
It is the first class actually. Just started off.
Okay, okay.
Just we created the ID. You know how to create the developer account, right? Just created the developer account.
Yes, I am.
Now we are creating an application. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Just a moment. Yeah. Yeah. Smrita, just a moment. Just adjusting my tab settings. 1 minute. Yeah. Let's continue. Smrita, you have access. Please go ahead. Hit the setup button. Yeah, scroll down towards your left pane. Can you see? You can, yeah, scroll down. You need to scroll down a bit. No, no. Scrolling down, you have to do it from the right side. This is how you do it, okay? You have the build option. Can you see in the build? In that build option, towards your left, can you see build? Yeah. No, no. Do not click on the create. Always click on the expand button there. Okay. So you have to expand the create. The first thing you will be finding there is apps. Hit the apps. Yeah. Okay. So there is a new button between quick start and reorder. Can you see the new button in the center of the page? Yes, hit that button. See, in the Salesforce, we can create two type of applications. Wait. Let me explain this. In Salesforce, we can create two type of applications: custom applications and console applications. Generally, the console applications are the ones the companies like service related companies will be using the console apps. Generally, for the console apps, you don't have the UI user interface. Okay, we'll be developing our third application, which I told you, it's a console app. Okay, we'll be doing a console app as well. So hit the next button and continue. Okay, as discussed, the application label is, you can see my notepad, it's mobile store. Yeah, please type the mobile store there. Yeah, yeah. Smrita, while doing, you don't have to be in the mute. You can talk to me while doing it. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Hit the next button. We are getting some background noise.
So can we insert the image right now or later?
See, how to insert the image, I'm going to tell you in our next project. Okay. For the image, if you have to adjust the image size has to be 20 KB or lesser than that. Can you see the
Yes.
specifications given below? So we'll be seeing that in our next project. Okay. The first project is only intended to see how your concepts are. So learn the concepts. So that is what our main goal in our first project. Okay.
Okay.
Hit the next button. So we are not talking about any standard objects right now. Okay, we'll be talking about the standard objects in our next project. So hit the next button and
Okay.
continue. So generally the profiles in the Salesforce are used for security purpose. Okay, what is a profile? How the profiles can be used for the security? All these things we are going to learn in our next project. Okay, so it is too early for us to talk about the security right now. Hit the visible checkbox. I'll have everything right now. Hit the next and continue. Yeah, hit the save button. Yeah, Just now we have created an application, right? Switch to that app. Very good. You can see the mobile store, right? Switch to that application. Okay. This is how you create an application. Okay, fine. Now, as we know, we have, this is a table. In tables we have columns, right? We have columns inside the table. Okay, we have columns inside the table. This is the table, so these are the columns. So this will be rows. So my question here is, can I create a column without creating a table? Hello? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, we cannot do it. Yeah. What about you, Smriti and San? Can we create a column without creating the table? No, we cannot create a column without creating a table, right? No. Can we create a row without creating the column?
No.
No. So this is the order. We have to follow a certain order here. First we have to create a table. Next we have to create a column. After that we have to create a row, right? This is the order. So in Salesforce, a table is called as an object. A table is called as an object. A column is called as a field. A row is called as a record. Only the name change. Okay. If you see in SAP, we call their tables, columns and rows only, right?
Yes.
San, you are in SAP, right? What we call in SAP? Table, columns and rows, right?
Same.
Yeah, same thing. As we know, SAP has patents over the tables, columns and rows, so Salesforce cannot use it. If the Salesforce is using the same names, it has to pay some royalty to SAP and Excel, that is Microsoft. So that is the reason they are using the database names. In database, we call objects, fields and records. These names, okay? So table, when we call object in Salesforce, you should remember it as a table. When we call field in Salesforce, it is a column. Only the name change. When we call record in Salesforce, it's a row. Okay, just the name change to keep the price of the Salesforce product low. That's it. Everything else is same. Okay. Now, first we are going to create a table, that is object. In the initial stages, I'm going to use both the names. I'm going to call table and object simultaneously. Later on, we have to use the Salesforce terminology, that is object, field, and record. Okay. Now, first we have to create an object, right? Here we are creating an object called as merchandise. Okay. In Salesforce, whenever we are creating an object, with the object name, a standard field will be created. Okay. So that standard field will act as a primary key. If you have any idea on the database, in table, we have, see, if you want to connect one table with the other table, we have a key actually. From this table, the connector will call as a primary key. The other table, the same connector will receiving end, it is called as a foreign key. Okay. In the Salesforce, the standard field behaves as a primary key. Okay. That is the reason whenever we create an object, along with that object, we have to create a standard field as well. So we are going to create standard field, that is product name. So it will be created with the name as merchandise. We are going to rename it to our requirement. As per our requirement, it is going to be product name. Next is going to be product price. Next is going to be product description. Next is going to be inventory. So these are the, we have to use them with the respective data types. Name means data type has to be text. Price means price is a number. Product description means it's going to be pick list. Inventory, it's going to be again number. So let's get going. Okay, you can use my notepad for your reference, Smriti. Sorry, I think so the access is with, yes, Smrita. Yeah, Smrita, please go ahead. You have the access. Create the object now. See how to create an object. Same way, go to setup.
Go to setup.
Yes. Scroll down.
And scroll down.
Yeah. Can you see the create? Expand the create there.
Yes, I saw the create.
Yeah. Can you see objects?
And
Yes.
yes, I did. So
Yeah. Just wait
objects.
1 minute. See, just beside the new custom object, you can see one more thing here. This is schema builder. What is the schema builder? How the schema builder is used? We are going to talk about this in our next project. Okay. Yeah. Please go ahead. New custom object. See, as per our requirement, our object name has to be merchandise. Plural label, merchandises. See the example beside it. Account means accounts. You have to give with a plural label. Generally, the plural label will be displayed on the tab. Okay. Now, as I told you, whenever you create an object, you are going to create a standard field as well. See, a standard field will be created generally with the object name. But as per our requirement, we need product name. So type their product name. Data type has to be text. Okay. Just change the merchandise name to product name. Data type is anyhow text only, right? So no problem. Yeah. Scroll down, save it. Don't, we can add it later on, no problem. Okay. We should never add all the options in the initial stages. We have the option to add it later as well. Okay. Save it.
Okay.
Yeah. If you see here, we have just created an object. Okay. Let me select some different color. See, here I have created an, see, we have just created an object. Object name is merchandise. Can you see the API name here? That is merchandise underscore underscore C. So generally in the
Yes.
form list, we are going to use this API names. API name is nothing but it's called as application programming interface name. When you are connecting with anything other object or different technologies also, we use the API names only generally. Okay. So this is the object. Object is nothing but a table. And we have created the product name. That is our field. Field is nothing but a column with the data type text. Now we have to create other fields. So you have to go to the custom fields. Can you see here custom fields? Go to
Yes.
custom fields, new. Okay. Yeah. Click on the new. Yeah. What is our next field? See our notepad. Okay. Next one is product price. Data type has to be number. First select the data type.
Okay.
Please select the data type as number. Yeah. Hit the next button. Yes. Yeah. Field label has to be product
Sort of
price.
that.
Very good. Yeah. In your keyboard, hit the tab key. There is a tab key in your keyboard. Hit the tab. Yeah. It in the field name, it will take the name automatically if you hit the tab key. Okay. Next. Yeah. Check the visible checkbox. See, we are going to talk about the security in our next project. Okay. So check everything right now. Okay. Save and new. We have to create other fields as well, right? So hit the save and new button. Now scroll down. What is our next one? Product description. Data type is pick list. Can you select the pick list? Yes. Scroll down. Next. So name has to be product description. Product description. Yes. Select the second radio button there. So generally mobiles have different model numbers, right? So those model names we are going to enter it here. Just like I'm going to enter few. See S5, S6 means Samsung has S5, S6. See iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, or else Nokia has a model called as Lumia. So in this way we can enter some model numbers. Okay. Hit next. Later on also we can add new model numbers if you have new stock. Okay. We are going to
Okay.
discuss in detail again. Okay. So click on the visible checkbox. Next. Save and new. We have one more. What is our next one? Just let me see. Next one is inventory. Data type is number.
Number.
Yeah, please try doing this. Yeah, hit the tab key in your keyboard. It will take the field name. Yes, very good. Next. Click on the visible checkbox. Yes. Save it. Last one, right? So hit the save button. Very good. So if you see, we have created the object. See, already object has been created. This is a standard field we have created. After that, we have created custom fields as well with the respective data types, right? Now we are going to create the tab. Why tab? Because without the tab, you cannot create the rows. Generally, the tab will be on the top. So can you see the home button here? It is called as home tab. So here we want a tab called as merchandise here. Okay. Let us create a tab. Click on the setup. Go to same create, expand it, wherein you can find tab. Yeah, expand the create. Yeah, select the object. In the object, select merchandise. Yeah, next, continue. Yeah, scroll up. Can you see the merchandises tab there? Click on the tab. Now you can create rows. Click on new. So here you can create the rows. Enter some names there. Product name means mobile store, right? So some mobile phone name. Yes. Product price. Give some price. See, you don't have to put dollar there, okay? Only the number, that's it. Product description. Is it iPhone 5, 6 or okay, it is only iPhone. See, S5 is Samsung phone. Samsung model is S5. Samsung Galaxy S5. So iPhone, it has to be iPhone 6. Some inventory, how much stock we are holding in our warehouse. Generally, merchandise is nothing but a warehouse. Save and new. Okay, in the same way, create two more records. Nokia has a model called as Lumia. No, no. In product description, you have to select. That is proper only, okay? In the product description, you need to select model as Lumia. Yeah. Some give some inventory.
More? Do you want more?
How many you have created?
I think 3.
Enough. So
Mm,
here, if
okay.
you see, only product name is visible. We can't see product description, product price. So what you have to do is click on the quick access menu. It is also called as a shortcut. Can you see the side arrow? Hit that side arrow. It is called as quick access menu. Okay. Hit on the edit columns. See, observe carefully. Edit columns from down, second one from down. Yeah. Why we are calling it as edit columns? Because fields are columns, right? Here there are no patent issues. They are calling it as columns only. Okay. Please add inventory, product description, product price from available fields to selected fields. Product description, product price. You can even do the multi-select. Yeah. So I want the order. After product name, I want product price. So pull up the product price. Select the product price. Okay. Click on the up button towards your right. Yeah, enough. Inventory, I want it in the last. Click on the inventory. Hit the down button. Yeah. This is the order I want. Okay. Save it. So now we have seen how to create an object, field, tab, and a record, right? Any doubts so far, Smrita?
I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. I'm taking the access. Yeah, we are going for the next object. We are going to create one more object. This object name is going to be invoice. Invoice, we generally call it as customer details. Okay. So customer details, what will be there in the customer details? Customer name, customer email, customer phone, customer address. These are the fields or columns we are going to create after creating the invoice object with the respective data types. Name is going to be text. This customer name field you are going to create along with the invoice object. It's going to be a standard field. The data type is going to be email for the customer email. For the customer phone, data type has to be phone. For the customer address, the data type has to be text area. Yeah. Smriti, you have the access. Yeah. let me see, this is your notepad. Okay, yeah, please go ahead, create the object, hit the setup. We are going to create a new object. Yeah, hit the setup, scroll down. Yeah, expand the create. Can you see the create in build? Yeah, yes. So create a new custom object. Yes, very good. Invoice. Plural label will be invoices. Yeah, scroll down. See, the invoice name you have to change it to as per our requirement. So as I just told you, whenever we create an object, a standard field will be created by the object itself. So change this invoice name as per our requirement. As per our requirement, the first field has to be customer name with the data type text. Okay. So change it to customer name. No, customer name. It has to be customer name. Smriti, please change it to customer name. It is not customer detail. Change it to name. No. You're scrolling up. I'm asking you to change this part. This part. Change the detail to name. Invoice is called as customer details commonly. Okay. Change it to name. Hello. Yeah. Please change that. Remove the detail and type their name. What happened? Hello. Try to move the mouse. Yeah.
The record name should be customer detail, right?
No, it has to be customer name. Observe it carefully. I just told invoice common name is customer details, but here you see customer name. Standard field name should be customer name. Data type is text. Okay. So you have to change that to customer name. So it is as per our requirement. That's it. Change it to name. Yeah. Scroll down, save it. Yeah. Save it. Now, if you see here, we have just created the invoice object and a standard field, customer name with the data type text. You have to create other fields as well. So go to custom fields. What is the next one? The next one has to be customer email. Data type is email. So please go ahead. Yes. Next. That's it. Hit the next button. Click on the visible checkbox. We are doing this because we are not discussing about security right now. Okay, once we discuss about security, you will know why you are doing it. Okay, save and new. What is the next one? Customer phone. Select the phone data type. Next, click on the visible checkbox. Next, save and new. Last one is customer address. Data type is text area. So if you get a doubt why we are going to select the text area, you need to study this. Generally, if you select the data type text what it does, it allows to enter any combination of letters and numbers. So your address will be a combination of letters and numbers. You can very well use text. But why text area? Because allows user to enter up to 255 characters on separate lines. Our address will be on separate lines, right? So that is the reason we are selecting the text area here. Okay. If you are having a very big address, then you are going for text area long. But here, let us go for the text area. Custom object tabs. New. It is already created, right? You are going to create a new one. Yes. That's it. So this is how you create the tab. Go to invoices tab, create some records or rows. You can give any email. It doesn't have to be any valid one. Save and new. In the same way, try to create two more records. One more. Yeah. Yeah, enough. You don't have to hit the save menu. So if you go to the invoices, you can only see the customer names here. We cannot say customer address, customer email, customer phone number, right? So we have to add it from the edit columns. Yes, fields are columns, right? So add it from them. Very good. Say I want address in the last. So pull the address down. Yes, save it. That's it. Okay. Any doubts so far, Smriti?
No.
Yeah, very
No.
good. Let's continue. So we are going to go for the third object now. So have you worked on formula fields, Smriti, San earlier?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Very good. No problem. We'll be doing it. So we are going to create a third object, that is line item. Line item is nothing but commonly we call it as customer purchase details. Okay, we are going to use the name line item here. Okay, so it has to be product name, product price, quantity. Product name data type has to be text, product price and number. For both the data type is number. Okay, let us create the object. Along with the object we have to create the product name as a standard field. Then custom field should be price and quantity. Yeah, San, you have the access. Can you check? Yes, go to the Opera browser. Yeah, let me take you. Yeah,
Yeah.
please go ahead. Please create the object called as line item. Slowly. You have to go to create and expand the create. Scroll down. Yeah, in the build. Can you see the create expanded? Very good. You can see the objects there. Yes. Yes.
That name, object name.
Line item. You can see it in the notepad. Can you see my notepad there? Hit on that notepad. You can see it.
Mm,
Yeah, for the note 5. Ours is note 5.
okay,
Line
line
item is
item.
line item is the object name. Along with that standard field is product name. Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
No spaces.
Mm. No spaces.
No space.
Okay.
Plural name should be line
Uh,
items.
line items. Okay.
I'll tell you. Yeah. Plural label should be line items.
Okay.
Yeah. If you scroll down,
Yeah.
can you see in the record name place?
Description of.
Change it to product name.
Uh,
So
okay.
what we are doing is we are creating a standard field. As I
Yes.
just
Yes.
told you, whenever we create an object, we have to create a standard field. That is compulsory. Okay.
Okay. Can I check all these
Not
checkboxes
required.
here?
Not required. If you need it, we can do it later on as well. So not required right now.
Oh,
So scroll down, hit the save button.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now, if you
Yeah.
observe,
Okay.
we have created the
Yeah.
Okay, the object name is line only. It should be line item. Just a moment.
Oh, here is.
It's okay. It's okay. No problem.
Can I click and save?
No, I'm just checking it. So I'm giving it back to you control. So the object name is line item only. Now changed it. So we have created an object name with the line item. A standard field also you have created, that is product name with the data type text. Now
Yes.
you have to create the custom fields. Go ahead.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. The next one
Uh,
is number data type.
number down. Yes.
Yes. So field label has to be product
Uh,
price.
okay. Yeah. Okay. Length. Can I keep it same?
It
18.
is default and enough. Hit the tab key. Field name it will take by default if you hit the tab key in your
Oh, yes.
keyboard. Okay. Now next.
Next.
Yeah. Just a moment. I'm getting a call. 1 minute.
Visit.
Just a
Okay.
moment. Give me a minute. For that. Yeah. Click on the visible checkbox.
Yes.
Next.
The next.
So save and new. There is one more, right? Quantity is also there.
Yes.
Data type is
Yeah.
number. Okay. Select the data type as number. Yes. Very good.
Oh, can I see that name? Good. Quantity.
Quantity.
Yes.
So field name. Okay. Next. Click on the visible checkbox. Next. Save. Last one, right? So save it.
Yes.
Now you have to create a tab for them, right? For this object, you have to create a tab. So same place you have to go to create, expand. There you can find tab.
Yeah.
Can you see the tabs from bottom? Third
Yes.
one.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. New tab. You have to create a new one. Custom object
Okay.
tabs. Top. Custom object tabs.
Yes, I clicked on.
Yes.
Can I?
Yeah. Select the line item there. Slowly. Do it slowly. No problem. So select the color. Tab style is also mandatory. Select some color of your choice.
Okay. Can I select this bell?
Anything your wish. Okay. Scroll down.
Okay.
Next. Okay. Scroll down. Completely scroll down. Nothing you have to do in this page. Next.
Yes.
It is everything default on only. Yeah. Save it. That's it. So go to the line items tab. Line items tab means, yeah, on top. This is called as a tab bar. So if I mention
Yes.
tab, this is line item tab. Okay. So go to line
Yeah.
items tab. Yes. New. Create some records. Product
Okay.
name means it's a mobile store, right? So Samsung, Apple, Nokia can be the product names. Some price,
Is, can give
you can give price.
example.
Quantity, it is the customer side, right? No. It, see, $10,000 you don't have any phone. So,
No, no.
okay, fine. Yeah, quantity. You have to mention the quantity. Mention some minimum quantity like two or
Two.
three. Yeah, enough. Save and new. In the same way, create. It's okay. Two more records. We need minimum data to work with, right? That's why we are doing it. Some price, some quantity. Save and new. One more.
Say.
It's okay. I need one more. It's okay. I need one more record. So click on line
Can I?
items. Yeah,
Here.
click on line items. Already you've created three. No problem. Three are enough. So go to edit
Okay.
columns and add product price and quantity. No, not there. See here you cannot see. We have three fields, right? Product name, product price and quantity. Here you can only see
Yes.
product name. You can't see price and quantity. So for that you need to click on this quick access menu. It is also called a side arrow. Okay, here in this
Okay.
quick access menu you can find edit columns. So fields are nothing but columns, right? So go to edit
Yes.
columns. From down, second one. From bottom, second one. Yes. From available tabs, add product price and quantity to selected fields. Quantity. Quantity. Just below it you can see quantity. Yes. Add price, quantity. Okay. The order is okay. Save it. Okay. Fine. So do you have time? Should I take 10 more minutes?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So we are going to even touch the formula fields today. So generally, as we know, in any programming language, a single equal to is called as an assignment operator, right? It is common for any programming language. If you give two equal to symbols, it is called as equal to. Okay, a single equal to is called as an assignment operator. What is an assignment operator? See, for suppose an assignment operator assigns right hand side value to left hand side. So for suppose if I give some variable a equal to 10, so this 10 is assigned to a. If I print a, how much will be printed? 10 will be printed. So always right hand side means RHS side value will be assigned to LHS side. That is what an assignment operator, that is what a single equal to symbol does. Okay, here we are going to use this in our formula fields. So here, so we are going to create a field called as total. Okay, this is going to be our LHS side, left hand side. Okay, single equal to means assignment operator. RHS side has to be product price into quantity. So for suppose, let us say our product price is some 1000. We are buying 5 products. 1000 into 5, 5000. This 5000 will be assigned to total because of the single equal to symbol, that is assignment operator. So this is the formula we are going to write. LHS side should be total, RHS side should be product price into quantity. Okay. So how to write formula fields? Generally, as per our requirement, we write the formulas, but substitute some values inside the formulas and see whether it is giving our desired output or not. Okay. So in the course of time, you will understand it clearly. Okay. Yeah. San, please go ahead. Let us create a new field. Okay. Click on that shortcut or side arrow. Hit the side arrow. No. Click the side arrow. Yeah. You can see their view fields. Very good. So go to custom fields and relationships there. You went down here only. Click on new in custom fields and relationships.
Yes.
So you can see formula from top third one. Radio, yes. Next. So field label is going to be total. Click on the field label, type total. Hit the tab key in your keyboard. Yeah. Now we have to even select the return type as well. What is this return type basically? Means how you are expecting your output to be. Total is a number, right?
Okay.
Total is generally a number. So what will be our return type? Our return type will be number. Please select the number.
Okay.
Return type is number, right? Wait. Make the decimal places to 0. Not required any decimal places. So make it 0.
Okay.
Next. Next. So LHS side we have already done it, right? So here you have so
Yes.
many. We are right now in the simple formula. We are going to go for the advanced formula as well in our coming classes. So can you see this? Total.
Yes. Yes.
Our LHS side. Just beside total, can you see a single equal to symbol? Smriti,
Yes.
Smrita, San, all of you can observe this single equal to symbol. Yeah,
Yes, I
this
can.
is our LHS side. That equal to symbol separates Generally, this equal to symbol is called as an assignment operator. Okay, so RHS side we have to put inside the box. Okay, can you see insert merge field? San, click on that insert merge field.
Yes.
Yeah, select the product price. If you select product price, it will be selecting the API name of it. Okay, now click on insert operator. Can you see towards your right there is insert operator here?
Yeah.
Yes. Select the multiply symbol there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I can.
Again click on the insert merge field. Select the quantity. So product price into quantity. The output will be assigned to total because of the single same equal to symbol, that is assignment operator. Click on next. Continue. So click on the visible checkbox.
Always.
Next.
Next.
So save it.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to the line items tab.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the shortcut or also side arrow and go to edit columns. Add the total field. Edit columns. Add the total from the available fields. Add
Only.
only total.
Yeah.
Save it. Only that one we have created just now, right? So save it.
Yes.
See, the values are already there. 90 into 4, 360. 150 into 3, 450. 100 into 2, 200. It is calculating and it is displaying the values. These sort of values are called as formula fields. Is it clear?
Oh. Yes.
Yeah.
It's clear.
Okay. Let us stop it for the day. Okay. Any doubts so far? So what I have
Mm.
noticed is like you are clear with the concepts, okay, but still you need some practice, okay, because
Yes.
what happens nowadays in real time is just by hearing to the classes you cannot work in the real time. You need to have a hands-on basically, that to good hands-on.
Okay.
Okay, so you can ask me any doubts, any questions you have. I'm going to update this recording session, okay, and I need your email IDs, okay, basically I need your Gmail IDs. Okay, are those the same IDs? Already have your IDs. Okay, just let me, yeah. Should I send it to the same IDs? Just let me check once. Yeah. I want smriti101 at the rate of yahoo.com. I want any, okay, same, okay. You have Gmail also with the same ID, Smriti. Okay. Okay, fine. Other two are okay. itsmanity at the rate of gmail.com. May I know who's this ID? Okay, fine. So to this mail, you will be getting the recorded session. Okay, it is okay. San, what is your ID? Gmail ID?
Yes, I am being. Yes, I pinged you.
Yeah, yeah. Is the timing okay for you? All are you staying in PST time zone? Any objections with the timings? You want it to be changed? Is it okay? Timing is okay for you this time? 8:30 p.m. PST is
Yes,
okay?
okay.
Everyone? All of you?
Yes, it's
Um, Previously we were having class start from 7 to 8. So that time was okay for me because I work early morning.
Okay. May I know your time zone? Which time zone you're in, Smriti?
Um, Arizona Mountain Time.
Okay, mountain time, I think so. What time is it right now at your place?
Uh, I think it's the same like as Pacific Time right now, 9:48.
Okay. Can you adjust to this timing? Actually, this timing is even convenient for me.
Uh,
If you're really a
yeah, I
problem, then we
can.
can change.
I can, but the problem is I will not be able to do the assignment after the class because my work start from 7 in the morning. So
See, basically,
I
most of
was
the things, see, let me
and
tell
I
you
was
one
doing
thing.
at least 2 hours
90% I'll be doing,
of the
making you do
job.
in the classroom itself. So you don't have to worry about anything. I won't be giving any assignments as if now. It will take some time for me to give you assignments. 90% of the things I'll make you do it in the classroom only. So you don't have to worry about that part.
Oh, okay then.
Because
I'm fine
everything
with
is hands-on. Basically, this training is a hands-on training. So I'll be giving you the access how we are doing today. Everyday class will be in the same way. Okay. Because I
it.
don't
Okay.
believe in like teaching and because I know I've been in the teaching field from past 14 years. So I know the students' mentality. Some students will ask doubt. Some students are shy to ask. I need to know every student's status. So when they do it, I'll know how they are doing it. Basing on that, I can give them the feedback. Or else I'll try to explain them. So this works well basically actually. Okay. So
Okay.
first project, see here we are developing the first project. The main focus will be on learning the concepts. Okay. As we are developing the projects, the concepts will also be covered, even with the real-time scenarios. So it's my job, it's my headache to get the things clear for you actually. So that part you leave it to me. I'll take care. You're doing well on the first day already. You have some exposure, I think so. I need to even see how far you have learned in the workflows. Workflow is also good thing actually. So let me check that part as well. So I have been told to complete your classes as soon as possible, but I'll only complete them if you are understanding it better. That's it. Because once you hit the floor, you shouldn't be having any problems, right? So there is no change in the ID. Daily you have to log in with the same ID. Anything you want to ask me?